The tools you'll need to install the cable on the modular jack are the same as you used for the 110 connectors. First, strip back about 2 inches of insulation using the cable stripping tool. The TP jack uses a similar type of 110 style insulation displacement contact. The jack has color coding to indicate the correct wire color for each contact. Be sure to use the A color coding on the jack. Start with a blue pair, untwisting it down to the jacket. While keeping the jacket as close as possible to the connector, apply the blue pair to the blue and blue-white color-coded contacts. Next, install the orange pair to the orange color-coded contacts, keeping the pair untwisting to a minimum. Next, install the green pair, pushing them down on the insulation displacement contacts and keeping its untwisting to a minimum. Then finish with the brown pair. Now, when you punch these down in the field, it really helps to have something like this plastic surface to punch down on. Never try to punch a connector like this down on the sheetrock or on your hand. Very easy to slip and cause some permanent damage, either to yourself or to the customer's home.